Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of our one pot rice recipe series. I hope you have been enjoying the recipes so far. Today we are making one pot dal rasam rice. This dish brings together the goodness of dal, the tangy flavors of rasam, and the heartiness of rice all in a single pot. It is perfect for those days when you want a quick and comforting meal with minimum efforts. So here's the recipe. Start by washing the rice and tur dal a couple of times, changing the water until it runs clear. Then soak them together for about 20 minutes. At the same time, soak a lemon sized ball of tamarind in water for 20 minutes to extract the pulp. Next, crush a teaspoon of black pepper and set it aside for later use. Now we'll chop one tomato, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 onion into tiny pieces and set it aside. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, a few curry leaves, dry red chilies, crushed black pepper, chopped garlic, chopped onions, along with a pinch of asafoetida. Saute everything until the onions turn soft and translucent. Once the onions have turned soft, add chopped tomatoes and cook on low heat until they soften completely. Keep stirring to ensure they don't stick to the bottom of the cooker and cook evenly. Once the tomatoes become soft, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and rasam powder. If you do not have rasam powder, you can use sambar powder instead. It works wonderfully and gives a slightly different but equally delicious flavor. Mix everything well to combine. Now it's time to add the tamarind pulp. Mix it thoroughly to blend all the flavors. Then add the soaked rice and dal along with 4 cups of water. Do not forget to add salt as per your taste. Close the pressure cooker lid and cook for 3 whistles. Once the pressure releases, open the lid and give it a gentle mix. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve this comforting dal rasam rice with crunchy papad and your favorite pickle. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such simple and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.